Hey guys, John here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the front bumper on your 3rd gen Toyota Tundra. So first step, you're gonna pop your hood. Once your hood is popped, locate 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm and loosen those up with your ratchet. Here's another view, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next step is gonna be the same on both the driver's side and passenger side. You're gonna have 2 connectors, so these go to all the electronics in the grill. Go ahead and disconnect these 2 connectors on the passenger side, and then follow your headlight down. You have a little plastic pin right here. You could either use a flathead screwdriver to pop that up or a plastic pry tool. And coming over to the driver's side, it is the exact same thing. You have 2 connectors right here and this little tab that we wanna pop up with the plastic pry tool and go ahead and take those tabs out. To take the connectors out, they're gonna have like a little tab right here. If you haven't taken your connectors off in the past, they may be a little bit difficult, but each connector has its own little tab. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver or something, but once you pop the tab itself, the connectors should just come right off. All right, the next 10mm bolts that we're gonna take out, go ahead, go straight towards your grill, look down at where your hood latch is right here, and you'll see these dudes down here. So you got 1, 2, and then same on the driver's side over here. You got 1, 2, just go ahead. You can see I can have my hand down here. Just go ahead and take your wrench, take off these 2 10mm bolts there. And then same on this other side, 1, 2, those 2 10mm bolts right there. Next, you're gonna come to your wheel well over here. So you see where this line comes. This is your fender. That's your plastic. We're gonna go ahead and start at this 10mm bolt here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's 2 more right underneath, this one and that one. Just go ahead and take those 10mm bolts off. Once you unscrew all those 10mm bolts, you're gonna go ahead and take your plastic and just kind of pull against it, making your way up the fender of the truck, just carefully, until the line that you have right here of the fender and your plastic, until that is fully open. And then you can go ahead and get your hand up under your fender liner right here, and you can just basically pull towards you again the plastic portion of the bumper away from the metal part of the bumper here, just pulling towards you and making sure that you don't scratch it up against the headlight or the plastic trim piece right here. So just to make sure that it's all separated away. And then do the same on the passenger side. And then the last little bit is gonna take place underneath the truck. So directly under the hood of the truck, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 more 10mm bolts to take out. You can see the actual crash guard bumper right here. So that's where they're all located. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So everything's disconnected. We're just gonna lift up on the grill right here and just pull it all off. It should all come off in one piece. There we go. So guys, that's it. Pretty simple and to the point. If this video helped you out, please help me out by smashing that like button, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.